Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making this yummy, delicious and tantalizing looking catfish pepper soup. Yes, you know that's why I thought I've tested the best and tasty pepper soup, not after trying this one. Oh my god, try this recipe and you must come back to say thank you, because the taste is a top notch. Stay tuned and watch to the end. Okay, we'll be using this catfish, yeah, and this is the particular one we're using for this pepper soup. Yes, catfish. And the next ingredients is plantain, ripe but not overripe plantain. I know if you're wondering which one is this one. Yes, try this recipe and you must say thank you, because the taste is something else. I was like, I've been missing. No, hey, so I'll be chopping it like this. Yeah, chop, just don't use much of the plantain, just 4 or 3 pieces will be good to go. And the next ingredients is uziza seed and uda. Yes, this is actually uziza seed and uda. These 2 ingredients are something else. So this is what the fish we'll be using. Is already cut, and I'll be introducing hot water. That's, the water must be boiled. When I say boiled, this is to enhance the sliming skin. It will help in removing the sliming skin. Just make sure the water is boiled, then you pour. You know, catfish has this sliming and odor, in fact smell. So with the help of hot water, it will remove it entirely. Make sure you wash thoroughly like I'm doing now. Wash, pick it one after the other and wash. So let me use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming in. Thank you so much. I love you from the depth of my heart. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for always watching. And to you watching to this moment, I beg, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe, okay? So at this point, we have an empty pot. We'll start introducing the fish into the pot. First of all, I have to put the head of the fish, because you know the head is the harder part. So it should come at the bottom for easier cooking. So after which, as you can see, the pot is too small for the fish. I will have to turn it into a different pot, because it seems this pot will not contain what I'm about to do. Yeah. So this is the pot we'll be using actually, and we have to get the next ingredients, which is the uda and uziza. I blended the 2 together actually. And the next ingredients is onion, chopped onion. Please do justice with your onion, be generous with it. And then salt. The next one is seasoning for taste. And then after this, I'll be adding the plantain. Yeah, plantain will go forth into the pot. My dear, try this recipe. See this particular one, especially with the plantain aspect. Please do try and come back to say your experience. This is Ghana black pepper. Like I always tell you, I love Ghana pepper. It has this unique flavor and taste. I won't be adding much because of my kids. So this is crayfish. Please do be generous with your crayfish. Enough crayfish. And this is oyayak. Yes, it has this distinct taste and flavor. Use it for your pepper soup and come back to say thank you. This is scent leaf, also known as nchuanwu. Wow, it has health benefit and is also good for your pepper soup. Yeah, you see all these ingredients I've mentioned. If you try them, you must come back to say thank you. Next is water. Don't add much water, though I'll be using my pepper soup for rice, so I'll be using, that's why I'm adding this water, but do not add much, so that the taste and ingredients you added will be gotten. So cover and start cooking. Come back after 10 minutes to check on it. My dear, the aroma is just everywhere. Oh my god. From the aroma, I can tell that this thing is something else. This thing will be a top notch, my dear. Let me test and see. Wow, the taste is totally something else. I've never tested this type of sweet, yummy and delicious, distinct pepper soup. My dear, the taste is something else. If you have seen this video and you have not subscribed to this channel, my dear, what are you waiting for? What do you want me to do for you? Don't worry, this pepper soup is coming to your doorstep and you have every reason to subscribe. You have every reason to follow this channel. Yes, please do well and follow this channel, subscribe to this channel, and turn off the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. Okay, and as you can see, we are done. I've tested plantain to see if it is soft enough, and of course it is soft enough, and at this point it is good to go. Yes, it is good to go. My dear, try this recipe and you must come back to say I really do appreciate. You see, this pepper soup is for all my returning subscribers. Yes, come over, let's start dissecting it. Come over wherever you are, start coming, let's start dissecting it. Let's dissect it. Thank you for watching. Please, I really do appreciate. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your love. But you see, this pepper soup is for all my returning subscribers. Yes, this particular place is for my subscribers, and this one is for all my intended subscribers. Yes, and the next one is for everyone watching this video to this moment. Yes, and the next plate is for everyone that has been liking, commenting, and sharing. And this last plate is to say thank you.